Welcome to this Systems Thinking Practitioner lecture. Now, let's examine the benefits of incorporating systems thinking into our lives. Improved problem-solving skills, enhanced communication, and increased creativity are just the tip of the iceberg. By thinking in systems, we can better understand the root cause of problems and come up with innovative solutions. It also helps us see the bigger picture and understand how our actions impact others, leading to better communication and collaboration. But how do we apply systems thinking in our personal lives? When we make decisions, we often focus on the immediate consequences, but systems thinking encourages us to think beyond that. It helps us see the long-term effects of our actions and consider how they will impact not just us, but also those around us. By taking a systems approach, we can make better decisions that lead to improved relationships and overall well-being. And in the workplace, systems thinking can lead to improved teamwork, increased productivity, and a culture of innovation. When everyone understands the interconnectedness of the work they do and how it fits into the bigger picture, they can work together more effectively to achieve common goals. So, how do we develop a systems thinking mindset? It starts with an open mind and a willingness to see the world in a different way. Practice regularly looking for the connections between things and consider the consequences of your actions. And most importantly, never stop learning and growing. Systems thinking has enormous implications for both our personal and professional lives. By embracing this approach, we can improve our decision-making, communication, and problem-solving skills, leading to a better life for ourselves and those around us. So let's put our thinking caps on, broaden our perspectives, and never stop exploring.